here we will continue the previous problem. So what they have given this, they have given the misprints of particular data or statistics book, okay, for 30 pages, first 30 pages. So here it is 0, minimum value is 0 and maximum value is 5, right. So what will be its range? Its range will be 5 minus 0 equal to 5. Now let us consider x as printing mistakes, which is nothing but our discrete data. Why? Because we have mistakes something like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, one more thing is there, 6 is also there. So the value of x are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As 6 is your largest observation, its range is 6 minus 0 equals to 6. So how many classes we have? We have 0 to 6, total 7 classes, okay, and each class comprises a single value. Now we have to represent this data in tabular form. So how do we do this? This can be done something like this. So here is a table where we have to write or consider 3 columns. First column is what? Printing mistakes. Printing mistake starts from what? 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this tally marks are there because there are 5 zeros repeated in your given data. So number of errors or number of pages consisting of errors is 5. So corresponding to 0, its frequency is 5. Again corresponding to 1, its frequency is 5. Now how do we do this? We will consider our data where it is. Yes, here it is. So this 0 is there, so I will cut this 0 and in front of 0 I will put one tally mark. Then again I will consider this 1, I will cross this 1 and or I will yes, I will cut this 1 and in front of 1 I will put one tally marks. So something like this I have to go till the last observation, and by using this procedure we will be able to find its frequency distribution. So they have given us our data of what? How many pages? 30 pages. So here we have those tally marks. By using this tally marks I can write corresponding frequencies, and finally I will get the frequency is 30. If you are not getting this as 30, you did somewhere, okay, any mistake, okay. So this is the representation of your individual data. Why I am considering this as discrete variable? Because there are only simple 6 to 7 observations are there. That's why I considered this as what? This is ungrouped data or individual observations, okay. Now let us come to our next problem, that is, following are the weights in kgs of 36 BBA students in the college. So this is the weight of students given by them. Now this data is large. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay. So 4 into 9, it is 36. I think 36 observations are there. Yes, 36 observations are there. We have to construct a frequency distribution of weights taking class length as 5. So already they have mentioned we have to consider classes, and what will be its length? As its length as 5. So how do we find its range? Range is nothing but consider largest observation, which is your maximum weight, minus smallest observation, which is your minimum weight. So from this I observe 73 is largest observation and the minimum is 44, which is smallest observation, right. So I got here 29 kgs as my range. Now how do I find my number of class intervals? So number of class intervals into number of class into class length gives me range. So number of class intervals into 5 is equivalent to 29. Why? Because 29 is our range. So there should be 6 class intervals, right. So here we considered those 6 class